Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the heal function on the Lightleap application, meaning that you can remove objects or certain parts from your picture. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then select the picture you want to edit. After that, tap on the heal button down below, which is the fourth option. Click on heal again, and once it turns to blue, it means that it's turned on and it's ready to be used. So all you have to do is brushing over those areas or those objects that you would like to remove from your picture. So just simply brush over it, and in a few seconds you can see how it is removed from your picture. So feel free to zoom in for more precise application. For example, if you want to make this title disappear or this writing disappear from the ship, here you can do it. So it's really simple. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.